Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use RedNote application. So it's a very easy process. Firstly, just simply open the application and make sure that you've already logged in and created your account and also verified with your phone number. Now, once you'll open the application, firstly what you do is click on allow. Now, the first thing that you will notice is the home page or the For You page in RedNote. And if you start from the top left in that corner, you will have a 3-line option. And if you click on that option, you will have few more options. Inside this option, you will have a Discover Friend option, which you can click to add or accept friend requests. As you can see right over here, you can also follow people if you have any interest. Then the next is drafts. If you have any incomplete edits that you want to upload or any incomplete message that you have left, it will be available in the draft section right over here. Now the next is my comments. Again, if you have any comment on you or any post, it will be right over here. Then over here you will have your history of anything that you have searched or watched. It will be right over here. Now lastly, you will have the order option. So now if you have purchased anything, it will be available right over here, and the same goes for the cart option. Now if you look down over here, you will have 3 options: scan, feedback and settings. So scan is for scanning anything, as you can see right over here. Then you will have the feedback option. If you want to give feedback or contact the support team, you can do this from this option. Next is the settings option. If you click on that, you will have more options. So we will come to this later. Now, if we get outside over here in the main home page, you will see many more options, like firstly, follow. Over here, you will have all the followers that you have. As you can see right over here. Over here, you will be shown all the media of the people that you have followed. So currently I have 0 followers. So let's see, for example, if I followed someone like this. In order to follow someone, firstly you will need to open the ID, as you can see, like this. Just will open the ID. Then just click on the follow option right over here, and after that click on turn on if you want the notifications. And then once you have followed someone, and if you go back and refresh the page, you should be able to see new content right over here related to that particular person that you followed. So it will take a few seconds to load in, and after that you should be able to see the content of that particular page, as you can see right over here. Now if you click on the nearby section at the very end, over here you have to enable the location, and depending on your geographical location, the content will be shown according to that, as you can see right over here. And lastly, you will have the explore page or the For You page, which is exactly like Instagram or TikTok if you have used that before. Now you will also have few interest options, like for example, if you click on this small arrow menu right over here, you will be able to see a lot of interest, as you can see right over here. So let's say, for example, if you're interested in, let's say, wallpapers, just simply choose this option and it will be added to your For You page, as you can see right over here. It have been added. Now if you go back and search for wallpapers in the top list right over here, it should be at the very end. Now just simply click on that, and then you should be able to see posts regarding that particular interest that you just chose. Now you can choose multiple interests, as you can see right over here. If I choose cars, you will be able to see posts related to cars For You page. Now there are few more options down below over here. The first is the home page that we are currently on. The next is the video section. So if you click on that, it will directly open the reel section. So it is exactly same like Instagram. And you will have the reels right over here, which you can scroll, as you can see right over here. Now the next option is the create option, but beside that you will have the message option. If you have any followers or you follow someone, you can communicate with them right over here. Then it's your account page, and if you want to create something, you have to click on the plus option at the very center. So now firstly over here you will need to allow for access to your device storage. Now just want to choose the media that you want to upload right over here. Just look for the media that you want. Now once you find the media, just simply click on that, then click on next. And now if you want to edit anything, you will have multiple options right over here. If you click on the more option, you will find more options, as you can see. Now once you are done with the editing part, click on next, and now you can add your title, your text, your hashtags in the hashtag section right over here, as you can see. And then if you want, you can save it as draft. As you can see at the very bottom, you will have the option. You can also click on the preview option to preview your own post. And then in the end, just click on post. And again, make sure that you have linked your number, which I've showed you in a previous video. If you have not checked that video out, just simply go ahead and check it. Over here, once you will link your number, you should be able to post your videos. Now, once you have posted your media, it will be available right over here in the post section in your account. And if you ever want to go to your settings menu, you can also go there through your profile option at the very bottom right hand side corner, then the gear option right beside your profile. And over here again, you will have the settings menu. Now, in the settings menu, you will have a lot of features like firstly, account security. If you click on this, you should be able to see important data regarding account. And one more important thing, you will have the option of account cancellation. If you click on that, you will have the option where you can cancel your account. So it's totally up to you if you'd want to do that. And now, lastly, you will have the option to set your phone number and a password. And if you ever want to retrieve your account, you will also have the option right over here. Now, if you go to the general settings, over here, you will be able to change the language, font size, default font, and if you ever want to enable dark mode or light mode, you will have this option right over here. Then, if you want to ever clear the cache file of your application, the option is right over here. And in order to switch accounts, you will have the options down below, and to log out also down below. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.